So this euro dollar analysis for Monday 29th of January. Now let's have a look at our prices and where they may likely go. So initially we did see prices come down towards this 23.62. We did seem to hold support after seeing a bit of a sell-off here from 125. We've had a bounce up for another possible test of the 125 area, and we came pretty close. We didn't quite get up there, and as we can see here, prices are currently oscillating. Price is currently trading beneath this 124.50. So from this 124.50, I suppose we've got a low there. If we can have another test of 125, we'll possibly see a break from this 125, a retest. If we do see that retest, then we will look for price to head towards that 125.50 and 126 before looking ultimately at the 126.76 level. If, however, we aren't able to break above this 124.50, pretty much where we have the 400 period moving average on the weekly, I think it's a weekly chart. Again, we'll be looking to see a breakdown in prices for another retest of 23.62. If we're unable to hold to this 3.62, we have the very next level, beneath. We are looking at 22.87, coupled with the 200 period moving average. Would likely add a further confluence, therefore increasing the likelihood of a potential bounce in prices from this 22.87 for possibly another retest of the 23.62 from underneath. And yeah, those are pretty much the levels I'm looking at here on the euro dollar on the 29th. So let's just have a look at the higher time frames. So we're starting monthly and get scale on here correct. So on this monthly chart, as we can see, it's pretty clear that we are in an uptrend. We found supports down the bottom, just down here. We've had a move up towards 120 from the 120 area. Had a brief pullback down to 116. And as we can see, so far, we've had 3 consecutive months of bullish price action. The month of January is not yet complete. But as you can see, it will be a very bullish month. Further highlighting the upside momentum here on euro dollar. Here on the monthly chart, we have the 200 period moving average sitting at 24.31. We're pretty much in that area. We're trading currently at 124.22. Let's just see. For some reason, I don't have the. Bear with me a second here. Let's just make sure I've got this all correct. Let's just see. And let's just change this over to the monthly. Yeah, so that's pretty much the monthly chart. So let's just have a look at the weekly chart. So over to the weekly chart. Again, it's a similar scenario. We can see here we found our lows just down here in the low 100s. After the French election, we've had a breakaway gap, strong move upwards, trades through 200 period moving average, pull back to the just beneath the 200 period moving average in around the 116 level. We've had a move upwards, small pullback, strong upside continuation. As we can see here, we've had a let's just have a look at that. We have about 6 consecutive weeks of bullish price action, and currently we are up to where the 124.50, where we do have the 400 period moving average here on the weekly time frame, and in around a possibly psychological number of 125. So again, we are bullish on the higher time frames here, and let's ultimately have a look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, so on the daily chart, we've come into this period of consolidation. We were in just here. We were at a period of consolidation just here. And as you can see, we've pretty much tested the 120.30, in around 120.30, where we did stall before prices head back down to about 116. As you can see, we've put in our lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Again, indicating bullish price action. As you can see, we've came up to that 120.30, brief pullback before strong upside continuation, breaking above these highs just here. Since then, we've had a minor bull flag continuation, On this daily chart, we've got this somewhat bearish pin bar, but it's been followed by a bullish move. So we'll see whether we continue to get a bullish upside momentum, or whether, while operating within the shadow of this daily pin bar, whether we do see further retracement, possibly back down towards these lower levels just here in around the 121.78. And pretty much with that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.